Okay, I have a February 2023 market update for Bonneville County. We're going to go over some data, compare some numbers and stuff, and then at the end, I've got some strategies to beat these higher interest rates, some information on down payments, and then some information on how to get started in the buying process. So let's get into some of these numbers. Okay, moving into our data from the last 2 months, we have a chart here so you can see that the new listings from January are higher than they were in February. Closings are pretty similar, and then pendings are a little bit lower. But in February, pendings are outpacing the new listings, which is leading to our inventory dropping. And we're going to go through on the next slide the percentage difference between these. Okay, so our total active single family, we're at 228 listings right now, which is 13% lower than last month. And then our new listings are 20% lower than January. Our close is very similar, but it's 2% higher. And pendings are 6% lower than January. Our months of inventory based on the February numbers, we're at 2.5 months of inventory. And then for the 4-month average, we're at 2.4 months of inventory. So you can see our inventory has continued to drop, especially if those pendings keep outpacing the new listings there. Okay, and then for our new listings average price, we're up from last month. We're at 487,000, and then our median sold price is up as well, but it's at 387,000. And then average days on market's up from 51 days to 61 days. Inventory is about half of what it was last year around this time in March, so I think the higher interest rates are keeping sellers from listing because they don't want to trade up their super low interest rates for these higher ones. And prices are likely to continue to soften due to these higher interest rates. So we'll see if that trend continues. Most predictions are saying that interest rates will be in the fives by Q2, so we'll see if that happens. So I found a pretty interesting article. I'm going to link it down below. It talks about some strategies on when you don't need to put down 20% on a house. So that's got some good information in there for you. If that sounds interesting, check that out. I have a new website up and running, and it's got a ton of information for buyers and sellers. So if you're thinking about buying, go check it out. It has a full buyer negotiation workshop that's going to walk you through the entire process and get you kind of up to speed on what everything entails. And then there's a seller workshop as well on there, and then some other good information if you want it. Well, that wraps up my February market update. 90% of my viewers are unsubscribed, so if you got some value out of this, please hit that subscribe button. It would help out the channel a lot. Stick around on the channel, got lots of other videos, and thanks for watching.